Hello everyone, this is Winslow Township in fall season. I will show you some pictures of the neighborhood. So just stay with me. Winslow Township is a great place to live and work. It has quiet neighborhoods, nice sceneries. As you can see, there are fallen leaves. Tree leaves are falling now. Beautiful scenery. The fall season. As you can see, the neighborhoods are very nice and clean. The neighborhoods usually in Winslow Township, they have a name, like here, Stone Valley. For people who have pets, there is an animal hospital here. So if you have pets, you can get them here. This is Kali Drive. So, and as you see, most of the neighborhoods, they have fences. And most of the people, they put solar panels to save on electric bills. Yeah, the place is nice to live. And this is another neighborhood in this place. It's called Concord Springs. Looks a nice neighborhood. This is a learning center for kids. It's like a kindergarten. Yeah. Next to the kindergarten, there is a park, Memorial Park. And you can see it from here. And as I can see, this is very nice to see. It starts raining now. This is a Frank Donio Memorial Park. As you can see, it's a small park around the area. Yes. Yeah. The trees looks beautiful. They have different colors. Yeah, you see red, orange, yellow and green. And the ground is full of leaves. Nice. It's nice. Beautiful picture. Yeah. What do you think, Khadija?
Yeah, beautiful. City.
Yeah. Now we're getting closer to stores and to supermarkets. Here we have ShopRite in Cali Drive, and over there is on that side we have Aldi and Orozon and Panera. As you can see, this is a plaza, Winslow Plaza. Yeah, there are a lot of stores here, and in that side over across the street there is Acme and Dollar Tree. So you have most of the well-known stores are here, so it's a nice place to shop. Winslow Elementary School.